A flickering cursor on a Windows computer is often an indication that the system is having trouble running a file or program. There are several reasons why this may be happening, including outdated or corrupted graphic or pointer device drivers, interference from biometric devices, or a conflict between the touch input screen and the traditional mouse device. To resolve the issue, updating the graphic and pointer devices is a good place to start. This can be done by opening the Device Manager program, selecting the Display Adapters option, right-clicking on the graphics driver, and choosing the Update Driver option. The same process should be repeated for the mice and other pointing devices. Another solution is to disable touch input, which can be done by selecting the Human Interface Device option in the Device Manager, right-clicking on the HID Compliant Touch Screen option, and selecting the Disable Device option. Additionally, disabling biometric devices may also resolve the issue by expanding the Biometric Devices option in the Device Manager, right-clicking on the device to be disabled, and selecting the Disable option. By trying out these solutions, the problem of a flickering cursor on a Windows computer can be effectively addressed.